Hey, it's Jason with Fresh Start Detail. Today I'm going to show you detailing process for seat belt cleaning. Perfect example behind me here. This is a truck we're getting ready to detail for sale. And you can see it's pretty nasty, right? Well used. They love to go four-wheeling, but specifically seat belts. You know, look at how dirty those are. And that's pretty nasty. You don't want to be dragging that across your shirt. You may not mind, but I'll bet your wife or your significant other does. They get in there with their nice clean clothes and then they got to put this nasty, crusty seatbelt on. Let me show you how we clean it. Just that one spot. Let me show you. Look at that difference. Just in that. So now I'll clean that entire seat belt and then we clip it so it dries. Oh yeah, here's a trick. So I have a clip on it right now to keep it out like this. But when I'm done, if you just take this clip off and let this seatbelt roll up inside like it's supposed to, when it's wet, guess what's going to happen? It's going to mold. And so if you've ever gone on a used car lot and the seatbelts look great until you pull them out and there's mold all over them, if you've ever seen that, that's what's happening. They're cleaning them and then just letting them go back in and molding. Of course, we don't do that. We clip them, make sure they're dry before you put it back in. That's a clean seatbelt. Thanks for watching.